2021 Ford Ranger Raptor, 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 2021 Ford Ranger Diesel, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Ford brand. The title of an article we take is 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor, 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 2021 Ford Ranger Diesel, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor, 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 2021 Ford Ranger Diesel, new cars by. Ford has this time created a determination to big shock us using what most Americans wanted to some pickup which is often rather advertised on each and every issue. This is the 2021 Ford Ranger which is unquestionably primarily suitable for serious clear of road conditions nevertheless in inclusion for achievement. For this reason, this blend of simplicity and power, an element which claims. Here is Ford acquired considerably to make use of from the present Ranger design, as he managed, and also the Chevrolet Colorado, to visit acquire a very good product. The changes who have took place from your new model guaranteeing good results considering that it took place combined with the Chevy. 2021 Ford Ranger redesign. The United States marketplace is fairly noticed lacking the average scaled Ranger choose up, which Ford in some way extinguished. In the middle of the very considerable profits of the need of this product. Profits was only about just about everywhere is an outstanding speed, aside from in your local community of us. It is presumed the chit chat becomes a truth simply because they just explore reconstruction and building a new version that may are very swiftly. Also, it is unquestionably proper the Ranger is likely to be became a member of up with on top of by an extra American citizen icon that is Bronco. Exterior and interior. 2021 Ford Ranger exterior, engine release date and price review. With all the Frankfurt Auto Display 2015, Ford released restored Ranger product. The present model is perfect for customers in the market of Melbourne and Europe. On that event, they reported the news of your purpose of your company to Ranger chooses up for the United States marketplace. When it comes to the seam of your new edition, noteworthy is sizable changes and augmentation. The exterior appearance of your vehicle went through clear changes. The changes provided the front and rear in the vehicle. Popular new particulars and a few elements that were not represented over the last edition. Also, the interior of the vehicle is preferably furthermore far more modern day. The interior received high quality supplies and high quality complete. Technologies have increased simple safety methods and driver support techniques, and connection. Based on the changes which are obvious with all the 2017 model, one can envision what will look inside the advancement and design of 2021 Ford Ranger, which will be provided with all the U.S. industry. Depending on the requirements and demands in the very most renowned buying and marketing market sectors, will be designed a new model. The present product is presented in a number of versions, that include different levels of gear. The most beneficial source will make Wildtrak model. It could be envisioned this range could be the starting point for your growth and development of our version in the design. From the regular item, Wildtrak is recognized possessing an innovative level of goods and additional aspects. This contains door handles, mirrors, entrance grille, which are developed especially for this kind of particular version in the design. Also, it could be awaited the 2021 Ford Ranger United States of America will become new fog lighting, alloy wheels, and larger calculated dimension. Engine. 2021 Ford Ranger exterior, engine release date and price review. Several engine options might be developed for the redesigned Ford Ranger. The original choice is a powerful 5-tube TDCI engines together with 3.2 liters also 197 horsepower. The optimum twisting of these kinds of engine was 470 Nm. By making use of systems in recirculation of exhaust gases, energy use is lessened by 18%. Expected gas consumption for this particular engine is 21 miles per gallon in town driving a car and 30 miles per gallon in the road. Another could be the new diesel TDCI Durator 2.2-liter engine with 158 HP and 385 Nm of torque. 4-year is also higher energy performance by 22 proportion. The subsequent is an oil 2.5-liter Duratec engine with all the quick shot. This power displays will produce 163 HP and offer 225 Nm of torque. All engines will probably be mated for several half a dozen pace auto transmitting. You will find rumors in the crossbreed model from the new Ranger 2016 with turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with all the fast picture. 2021 Ford Ranger price. The engine will likely be together with electrical driven motors and first timers that can provide the Ranger fantastic energy intake, ecological features, and performance. All versions in the Ford Ranger 2016 will probably be provided by start off of / give up modern technology. The 2016 Ford Ranger could possibly be a four-wheel journey, and typically can have the selection 4x2 travel. Release date and price. 2021 Ford Ranger exterior, engine. Release date and price review. 2021 Ford Ranger should modify the current market within 3 years, but we have recently been uncertain specifically when. It may arrive there even previously if Ford seems to rate difficulties up relatively. With regards to costs, the price has become maintained out of the record. Some options feel that the pickup van charges all around $21,000. Nevertheless, this may be a developing the price, and much better minimized diplomas will definitely price some thousands of bucks a lot more. Thanks.